It shouldn't make any sense to go out when it's snowing and the temperature is 23 degrees and the wind's blowing at 15 to 17 knots, but it does to me. It wouldn't make any difference to anyone whether or not my ungloved hand became too cold to operate the camera's controls, but it did to me. My senses respond like they're all on edge. Everything feels, smells, sounds, looks, and tastes like it did the first time I noticed. At least that's how it seems to me. There is something about being somewhere, somewhen, somehow you shouldn't be testing, living, not caring to ask some why. I close my eyes. A biker shushes by at speed. A coyote yelps at the maelstrom. Someone has lit a fire with pinon wood. My cheeks burn from the cold and the wind. Out loud, to no one in particular, I say, thank you for this day. Thank you for this life.